Hello everybody, this is Chandrapur area, and as you can see we have tried to develop Chandrapur area more, and these are the things which we are going to develop over here. So we have e-rickshaws, public college, public libraries, we have wastewater treatment plant, we have hoardings which are going to be helpful for making the city pollution free, which I am going to tell you later. And there are female gathering areas which are there, and there is also waste management, cyber cafe, rehabilitation center. We are going to put cameras. We have park, colleges, hospital, bus stands, and many more. So this is the basic area which we are going to cover. So over here is the super thermal power plant, and this area is developed by the workers who stay over here. But this area, this and this are not that developed because Naxalites live over here. There are coal mines over here, and this area is not that developed. So let's see how we are going to develop it in the prototype. So starting with the places which were already there but not developed sufficiently. So there were colleges, city hospitals and schools. So we are going to develop them more further as they are not that much sufficient. After developing these, we are going to put on things which were not there in sufficient amount. We are going to put public toilets over there. We are going to develop the residential area, and after the residential area, as we have find out that there is literacy rate is going up, but it has gone to 83%. We are going to provide them with public libraries, which is very essential for the students who live over there. Further, coming over here, we have the super thermal power plant over here, and there are coal mines somewhere over there. And the problem is there's pollution, heavy pollution in this area. So for making this city pollution free, we have come up with something very innovative. This is a advertising hoarding, but this is not something very normal advertising hoarding. This advertising hoarding will be having turbines which will suck in air, and the air will be the polluted air will be consumed by the sponges in this, and in every 6 months those sponges will be changed. So it will help in reducing the pollution in the air at some level. And these things are the cameras on the top of that, as we are going to keep a surveillance in the city to reduce the crime. Now to furthermore reduce the pollution, instead of using the public transport which were used on fuel, we are trying to use something on electricity. So these are e-rickshaws which are going to provide in the city. So make the city pollution free is very essential to make it for the city smart. And coming over the street lights, we are going to provide them with solar power street lights as well, very essential. And furthermore, as you can see over here, there are Volvo buses which we are going to use for local surveillance and also for transportation of the tourists which come to the city, as it's a very renowned tourist place. And as you can see over here, there is a park. We are going to develop the parks in the city, as the plants are very essential for reducing the pollution. And we are also going to provide Wi-Fi services in the park, so that people who have laptops and Wi-Fi enabled cell phones are going to be coming over here and going to use. And as you can see over here, there is a overbridge, and this bridge was not there, and there was a huge problem of traffic, as whenever train used to come and go, there was traffic over there. So we are going to create this bridge over here. And as you go over here, there is a rehabilitation center. So in Chandrapur there was a huge problem of liquor, and people used to drink a lot. So government have banned liquor over there, so people need a rehabilitation center. So we're going to provide them with rehabilitation center. And as you can come over here, you can see over here, this is a wastewater management plant. The wastewater Omni processor. So it was designed by Bill Gates, and basically this work as they put in human waste in it, and they provide us with water and electricity. So we're going to use this for Chandrapur as very essential in a place like Chandrapur. So this was the whole Chandrapur plant. Thank you.